So, ano naman tong gut immunity shot? Ito malapit na 4 minutes, no? Initially, I was very, sabi ko, maanghang siguro to kasi may luya. So, tayo look at the recipe, di ba? Now, have you tried this? No? Not yet? You haven't tried? Okay. So, it's very good for the immune system because ginger is anti-inflammatory. So, last time when I was making already, I will just put it on shot glasses. So, you will get some of this. Now, over Christmas, when we were in the bazaar, we were selling this for 95 each or 5 pieces for 450. So, pag sinasabi namin 95 pesos, sabi niya, ma'am, meron bang mas mura? Well, if you buy the 5 pieces, so only 450. Sige, ma'am, yung 450 na lang.
So, magkano 5 pieces for how much?
450 pesos. But kasi ang layo nun, alabang kasi yun. You have to cost our transport and everything, no? But some of the comments was, ay ma'am, yan yung nire-reseta ng doktor namin na hindi ko alam saan bibili. 30 ml. The bottle is around 46 pesos for 3 pieces. So, it's around 15-16 pesos sa bote pa lang.
Pampunas mo na yan dyan.
Pero ang cute, diba? Yung
Ay,
iba,
wait.
binibili nila dahil sa
Not that
bote.
one. This one. Ito pampunas sa table.
Shopee
This one,
din.
pampunas sa table.
Later, we'll share
Isa,
the
dalawa yan.
Alam mo?
Pero how many days na left yan pwede?
I tried it for a week or usually within a week's time or more. Pero minsan nakakalimutan ko 2 weeks na nandun pa. It's still good.
Okay siya.
You'll get to try this. No ball pa.
Ito na. I'm just drying it up.
Empty stomach breaks.
Yeah, pwede. Even sa kasi, my son was having a cough. Hindi niya sinasabi sa akin kasi parating wala. Almost 2 months already yung recurring cough niya like an allergy. So I gave it to him twice a day, morning and evening. On the 3rd day, wala na.
Empty stomach din.
Kahit hindi naman, anytime. Yeah. So I gave it to him after 3 days. Oh, how's your cough? Oh, mommy, okay na ako. So, you try it for yourself. Okay, sabi nga, ano yan, gamot? Hindi. Something to boost your immune system. Okay? Supplement naman yan kasi food eh. I don't know if you're familiar with Dr. William Lee. He's a US medical doctor but turned parang food medicine practitioner. So his research is a lot on food as medicine. What is the proper combination? What are foods that helps the body heal? So, because syempre nasa food na tayo, let's explore that. Of course, we don't say that you need medicines, kailangan mo yun. Pero yung everyday ba? Ano yung dapat mong kainin, you know? This one is fairly easy din. All you need is ginger. So, this is the fresh ginger. Okay, so, ang ginger din, merong iba-ibang klase sa palengke. Mamaya pakita ko sa iyo, no? So, ito minsan kasi pag nag-tear ka, tapos hindi pa siya nagsi-zero, nagne-negative. So, antayin mo siyang mag-zero before you put in your ingredients. Ngayon, kung ayaw nyo ng maanghang, pwede nyo siyang bawasan. The thing lang with when you're doing babalat ng turmeric, mag-gloves kayo. Kasi kung hindi kayo nag-gloves, ganyan yung kamay niyo.
So we have shot glasses.
Yan. Okay na, isama na natin. So whenever you use turmeric, even you're doing just regular smoothie, you have to put black pepper for absorption. If not, hindi siya ma-absorb. Hindi siya ganun ka-effective. So, especially for, yan, so, gawa tayong 2. So, pinch is 1/8.
1/8?
1/8.
1/8 teaspoon.
1/8 teaspoon. And then, honey. So, our honey is from Dumagat, Quezon. These are from Rural Rising. 250 a bottle. So, if you're looking for, if you drop
It's
by.
good.
Sabi ko
Hindi
na
siya
lang sa akin
nilalanggam.
kasi pumupunta naman ako doon. Tapos when we meet on Monday, kunin mo.
Sige, baka ako.
How many bottles you
Mga
want?
lima.
Sige.
Sa Monday.
250. Ibibili na lang kita pagpunta ko doon.
Baka naman may malaki sila yung mga ganun.
Wala.
Hindi kasi may nabili ako before. It's 5 gallon ba yun? Kasi the kids na o sa mga, alam mo yung bawang? I want to share, gusto ko na share.
Yes, please.
Yung bawang, lagay ko sa garapon na ganyan. So yung bawang, blender ko. Then pupunuin ko ng
Doon
honey.
pa ako.
Tapos ibababad ko siya sa 1 month, 5 months at least. So the kids, pag masamaan kami ng that,
Yes.
to mix na honey with the bawang. And
Yes.
pati bawang, gagawin na nila yung ilang nila. Ito. But you know, okay sila. Yun ang practice nila. Yes.
Oo.
Kaya yung
It's an effective cough syrup actually.
Actually, po sa Pilipinas.
Honey, it antibacterial kasi.
You put the basurahan here.
Friend ko kasi binibili ko ang laki ng garapon yun.
You can buy
Yeah.
honey
Kasi
lang
ang
and then
layo.
ilagay mo sa
Dito
wide
pala may
mouth.
saksakan.
Tapos maglagay ka ng mga
Hindi
2 or 3 cloves. Ibabad mo siya for about a week. And then you can use that.
Tipo 6 months, 7 months.
Yan na actually composition ng yung mga Chinese na, alam mo yung lohan ko,
Yan.
it has honey. Oh, di ba? Yun yung mga local remedies na
Pero wala na
effective.
masyado mabili ng lohan ko masyado.
Meron sa mga Chinese ano, oo. Yung
Para siya cute.
Chinese medicine na ano.
Ito na yung doktora ko ng sister-in-law. Lagi siya sinisipon-sipon.
Oo.
Pag may binigyan ko ng lohan ko, sabi ko, sige, subukan mo gawin yung juice lang, lagyan mo hot water. After 3 to 4 days, nakikita kami, sabi ng sister-in-law ko, doktora, sabi niya, with this effective na binigay ko, parang sister-in-law ko lumalabas. Okay ka, ang juice lang. Oh, hot water. Nabitin eh. Wala.
So cover, blend lang 30 seconds. Speed 10.
Speed din yan.
Speed 10. If you do not use the mode, just use 30 seconds in terms of time and then speed 10.
Ayun ang blend.
Blend mode yan.
Kasi ano manual ako ito ko. Automatic.
Okay. The other step we need to do here is to scrape.
Straight.
Scrape and then strain. Kasi mahirap yan lunukin, may luya. Sasabit yan sa lalamunan nyo. So, what I do there, my strainer, you can do, the most I did is double Kasi nasa, I think kaya naman.
Apat na recipe.
Pwede. Kasi ano lang eh.
Oo.
Oo, pwede. 4, oo.
Sabay-sabay.
Kasi blend lang naman siya. The thing lang with turmeric, you will notice, maninilaw yung ano nyo, kaya you have to wash right away. Even the lid, no?
Oo, mga few days yan before
Kaya dapat,
mawala.
ibibilad mo sa araw pag talaga, isa pakiwash mo.
Sige.
Hindi mag-stick yung yung color. So, kanina, after I made a batch of this, nagsaing naman ako ng rice. Sabi ng asawa ko, bakit yung ating rice medyo orange ang color? Sabi ko kasi, I made the gut immunity shots. You should use the mature. Yung tuyo siya. Alam niyo ba yon yung ginger na parang basa? Saka yung ginger na old. You use the, I think the young ones mas, hindi maanghang. Kasi ma-watery. Anything fresh is more watery. Pero pag yung dried na ginger na, mas maanghang siya. Saka mas matagal. So ito, just strain lang para makuha mo lahat ng juice. Ha? It's anti-inflammatory. This is ginger and turmeric. Dalawang klaseng luya to. Kung wala ka naman, ayaw mo naman ng, maganda lang kasi sa color, kesa yung parang yellow, ano siya. But you can just use ginger if you do not have, iba lang yung kick ng merong turmeric. Okay, actually you can try this already. It's a shot, so you have to like drink it down. Parang isang ano mo siya. Maanghang.
Ayun yung shot na. You go in front. Go in front. And then get the shot glass and
So this is how I will bottle it. I slowly drop. This is the lemon curd.
go! One shot! Yun!